H300 Firefighting Drone, power meets precision. Lifting heavy fire suppression into the sky. Meet the H300, built for real emergencies. 120 kilograms maximum payload capacity. Carries 425 kilograms fire extinguishing bombs. Deploys in under 5 minutes. Ready for rugged terrain and complex missions. From mountain forests to urban high-rises. Anywhere fire trucks cannot reach. High-precision targeting. Smart release control. Minimal human operation, maximum safety. Strong endurance, stable hover, proven reliability. Handles smoke, flames, and extreme heat with ease. Engineered for performance under pressure. Tested in real-world rescue missions. Built from aerospace-grade materials. Resists wind, heat, and rough conditions. Every flight, precise, powerful, and safe. This is aerial firefighting redefined. The H300 doesn't just fly, it saves lives. See the H300 in action today.